Hey everyone, welcome to Motivation Vault. If you've ever wondered, how can I win a girl's heart? Then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to break down the exact steps to make a girl fall for you naturally. But before we start, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing self-improvement and relationship tips. Alright, let's dive in. Winning a girl's heart is not about tricks or manipulation. It's about understanding what truly makes a woman feel connected, valued, and appreciated. Many guys believe that women are only attracted to looks, money, or status, but the truth is much deeper than that. While physical appearance and financial stability can play a role, what truly makes a woman fall in love is the emotional connection and the way you make her feel when she is with you. Attraction is more than just looks. Most people assume that being extremely good-looking or wealthy is the only way to impress a girl. But real attraction comes from how a person carries themselves, their energy, and how they interact with others. Women are naturally drawn to men who have confidence, a sense of humor, intelligence, ambition, and emotional strength. These qualities make a person interesting and create a lasting impression. A man who respects himself and others, who has a vision for his life, and who knows how to communicate well is far more attractive than someone who only relies on superficial qualities. Confidence is a key factor in attraction. However, confidence should not be mistaken for arrogance. True confidence is about being comfortable in your own skin, believing in yourself, and not being afraid to show your personality. Confident men do not constantly seek approval or validation from others. They are secure in who they are and do not feel the need to prove themselves. On the other hand, arrogance is when a person acts as if they are better than others, brags excessively, or dismisses other people's feelings and opinions. Women are attracted to genuine confidence because it makes them feel secure and comfortable around a man. The best way to build confidence is by improving yourself, setting and achieving goals, and embracing challenges. A man with a strong sense of purpose naturally attracts people towards him. Good communication skills are essential when trying to win a girl's heart. Many men make the mistake of thinking that talking a lot about themselves will impress a woman. However, the best way to connect with someone is by being a good listener. Women appreciate men who take the time to truly hear them, ask thoughtful questions, and engage in meaningful conversations. Instead of just asking general questions like, "How was your day?" asking something deeper like, "What was the best part of your day?" can make a big difference. Humor also plays a crucial role in communication. A man who can make a woman laugh creates a fun and positive experience, making her feel more comfortable and connected. Eye contact is another important factor. It shows confidence and genuine interest. Compliments should also be given sincerely rather than excessively. Instead of generic compliments on appearance, complimenting something unique about her personality or achievements is much more meaningful. Emotional connection is what truly makes a woman fall in love. Beyond looks and words, the way a woman feels around a man determines whether she will develop deeper feelings. Emotional connection is built through trust, vulnerability, and shared experiences. A woman feels close to a man when she can talk to him openly without fear of judgment. Sharing personal stories, talking about dreams and life goals, and being there for her during difficult times all help in building a strong emotional bond. A woman who feels emotionally safe and understood will naturally feel drawn to the man who provides that experience. Showing affection in the right way is another important aspect. Some men try to impress women by buying expensive gifts or overwhelming them with constant messages, thinking this will make them feel special. However, meaningful gestures are what truly matter. Small but thoughtful acts, such as remembering her favorite things, sending a heartfelt message when she least expects it, or genuinely being there for her when she needs support, make a lasting impact. Women value effort and sincerity more than material things. Giving space is also important. Over-texting or being too needy can make a woman feel pressured. Instead, allowing the relationship to develop naturally makes it stronger and healthier. One of the biggest factors in attraction is having a purpose in life. Women are naturally drawn to men who are passionate about something, whether it is their career, a hobby, or a personal goal. A man who is focused on improving himself and working towards something meaningful has an attractive energy. Instead of making a girl the center of his world, a man should focus on his own growth and invite her to be a part of his journey. Women admire men who are ambitious, self-driven, and have a clear direction in life. Another important factor in attraction is maintaining a sense of mystery. Many men make the mistake of revealing everything about themselves too soon, leaving no excitement in getting to know them further. Keeping a bit of mystery keeps the attraction alive and makes a woman curious. This does not mean playing mind games, but rather allowing conversations and experiences to unfold naturally. Being unpredictable in a positive way, such as planning a surprise or introducing her to new experiences, keeps things exciting. Winning a girl's heart is not about manipulation or trying too hard. It is about being the best version of yourself and creating a genuine connection. By being confident, communicating well, building emotional intimacy, showing affection in meaningful ways, having a purpose in life, and maintaining an element of mystery, you naturally become more attractive. Women are drawn to men who make them feel safe, valued, and understood. Instead of focusing on impressing her, focus on improving yourself and becoming someone who naturally attracts the right kind of people into your life. Winning a girl's heart isn't about being rich or perfect. It's about being genuine, confident, and emotionally connected. If you apply these tips, you'll not only win her heart, but also build a strong and meaningful relationship. Speech Balloon, what's your best tip for impressing a girl? Drop a comment below. Backhand index pointing right, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos. See you in the next one. Sparkling Heart.